The most effective method to pick best. Truck mishap. Legal Advisor 2023. Due to the size and weight of a truck, mishaps can cause decimating injury and injury. For this reason, you want to find one of the most incredible truck mishap legal counselors you can get to address you and assist you with getting the most in a settlement or at preliminary. Tracking down the best truck mishap attorneys. You might hear the expression individual injury lawyer tossed around while searching for help. An individual physical issue lawyer handles injury cases. However, even they have particular sorts of cases they consistently handle. Finding one who has the right foundation in shipping is basic. Experience with shipping mishaps. Search for a legal counselor who has insight with shipping mishaps. This is more than somebody with experience with car crashes. The wounds and harm from shipping mishaps are a great deal more regrettable than the harm from most car collisions. The shipping business is dependent upon unexpected guidelines in comparison to traveler vehicles. Trucks represent an exceptional arrangement of dangers, and there might be various gatherings included, including drivers, shipping organizations, upkeep offices, and proprietors. Explicitly ask the lawyer what their experience is on shipping episodes. Possibility charges. Legal counselors typically handle individual injury cases on a possibility charge premise. This truly intends that as opposed to charging you an hourly rate, the legal counselor gets a level of the sum you get in a settlement or at preliminary. The legal counselor's rate regularly begins at around 33%, yet will be higher on the off chance that the case advances to a claim or preliminary, to mirror the extra work the legal counselor does for your sake. On the off chance that your attorney can't recuperate any cash, you owe no legitimate charges. Similarity? You genuinely should feel that you can converse with the lawyer. Your legal counselor will be essential for your recuperation group and will approach a great deal of individual data. You need somebody who you trust and feel that you can unveil all data to, and they'll get it and be your ally. Assuming you feel as though the lawyer is speaking condescendingly to you in the meeting, this is most likely a decent sign that they aren't the best lawyer for you. Preliminary experience. Find a lawyer who has preliminary experience. Some lawyers will zero in on getting settlements from the insurance agency rapidly. This requires minimal measure of work for them to do. You need somebody ready to place the assets into getting you what you merit and has the experience to battle for that and win in a court if essential. Conveys well. While conversing with the legal counselor, you ought to have a decent comprehension of what is happening. Legal counselors who stick to lawyer language and don't improve on the language may not be ideal for you. Additionally, ask the lawyer what the cycle is to keep you refreshed on the advancement of the case. Numerous lawyers use paralegals and colleagues to deal with routine pieces of the case like gathering records, so it's probably you'll collaborate with the workplace staff as well as the attorney. While it probably won't be relevant to tell you of each easily overlooked detail, you need a lawyer who makes it an act of keeping clients informed, looking into it. Why you ought to recruit a truck mishap. Legal counselor. Truck mishaps are confounded, and there are much of the time numerous expected causes and people in question. On the off chance that a truck steered into your path, was it in light of the fact that the driver nodded off or the controlling fizzled? Was the driver drowsy from medications, liquor, or being expected to pull an excessive number of movements? Did the guiding come up short in light of an assembling surrender, inability to do support, or poor work at the support office? How would you ascertain your future clinical costs and lost pay from the mishap? Making quick work of these issues is where truck mishap lawyers sparkle. Without a legal counselor, it's extremely challenging to explore the framework, grasp the full degree of your misfortunes, and arrange the best settlement.